Welcome to How Ines Rolls. We are on our way to Costco with my little bud here, Ezra. He's gonna help me with the calculator. You got your calculator? Let's go. You like coming to Costco?
Yes.
Yeah. Look at these humongous. They're huge. They're fans. Okay, we are back, and the reason I went to Costco today was because I had to pick up some art. Their prints for 11 by 14 is $3.99, and 16 by 20 I believe is $6.99. And so I had to get a 16 by 20 and 3 11 by 14s for a gallery wall. And so maybe I'll show you like in the future what that turned out to be. I haven't finished yet. But I'm very pleased with how it all turned out so far, the prints. Okay, so I spent $215, but I will tell you that a lot of those were, I got like vitamins, and I'll just show you. So the first thing that I got was their Rotisserie Chicken. I don't know if you can see it, but it's really big for, I think it was $4.99. It's 2 pounds. It's really, I mean, the kids really like this. And then whatever's left over, I can use it like in a casserole tomorrow, or maybe I'll make some enchiladas depending on how much is left. So let's keep going. Okay, I bought these recently. Oh, these are 2 packs of organic flour. And I think if you've been watching me, I've been telling you that it's actually a better buy than buying the Wheat Montana, which is my favorite flour. But this is organic, and I think it's $10.99 for 20 pounds. What a great price. Behind me here is some paper towels. They are my favorite paper towels. I mean, I'll use anything, honestly, but these ones are my favorite because their half size is huge. So this is perfect for if I'm making a snack for the kids. They can just put their like slice of pizza. They can put like their sliced apples on there. It is perfect. They don't need a whole slice. Or a whole sheet. It's just a half sheet, and it's pretty big. So it's cost effective. And you can see I bought 2 of these. These are protein drinks that, so we go between getting pretty much any of the protein shakes. These were on sale for $19.99, and there's 18 in here, and they're normally like $27. So if it's $27, I'll just buy 1, or I'll get Orgain, which is $25 for the same amount for 18. But because these were only $20 each, I went ahead and bought 2. So let me tell you, there's 30 grams of protein in this shake. It's pretty good, I mean, considering. Also, so Paul will have one of these after he comes back from the gym, or maybe he'll have it for a breakfast. I don't normally have it so much. I do know that the other boys will, like Jonas and Kobe, will have these from time to time. They're really good too to have in addition to like a light breakfast or a light lunch. So, and they're yummy. Let's keep going. All right, so here's my helper. We ran into a couple people at Costco. That's always so nice, and he's just so friendly. Okay, so the perk to going with mom to the store is you get to pick some treats. Yeah. So this is what Ezra picked. What is it?
A big box of chips. It's 54 bags.
54 bags. So he's going to share these with his brothers. But which one is, he said no. Which one is your favorite?
I like the barbecue chips.
Barbecue chips. Comment down below which one of these is your favorite. Okay, so he just wants to open them up already. I don't blame him. So I picked up some of these chips. These are the healthy ones that are gluten-free, that Paul will eat, and I really love. These kettle ones, these kettle corn ones down here, these are so good. Sweet, salty, oh, the best. And then I asked Ezra if he wanted to get some applesauce or get fruit. He chose fruit. So these he can share also with his brothers, and it was cheaper than the applesauce. So I think the applesauce would have been $8.99, and these were on sale for $6.99. So that's a good amount, 20 cups. I say that's a great buy. Okay, so when I said I bought some vitamins, I bought some of the children's vitamins. These are the chewables. They'll use them for sure. And I also bought the adult multivitamin that's chewable. These are just kind of my go-to, just getting some chewable ones that I could have in the morning. And so in addition to that, I also take an iron supplement. So you know that I donate my convalescent plasma every month to help those who are battling COVID, just like I have the antibodies. And so that convalescent plasma takes about 45 minutes to withdraw. And every time I go, the first couple of times, I noticed my iron levels were dropping. So after I've been taking an iron supplement, boom, right back up, super pleased. And actually it has helped me tremendously. So having a daily vitamin and a daily iron has worked wonders. Plus, I'm also going to show you in our next video some other things that I take, and some other really good go-to recipes. So let's keep going. I picked up some of their canola spray. This is the best. It's huge, it lasts a while, and it's like $5. Totally worth it. These are some things that I got on sale. These are buffalo chicken bites that I thought Jonas would easily have these for lunch. So these were really on sale too, and I can't remember. I want to say it was like $6.99 for this big bag, which is such a good price. Another thing that I picked up is every time I go to Costco now, I have to buy a bag of this ready cut, ready to cook, takes like 10 minutes, totally fast chicken breast. And it's $10 for this bag, which you're paying a lot for the convenience of it. And as a working mom, I need it. So it's a good buy. I picked up a bag of organic strawberries that are frozen. So I have to tell you that that bag is for making jam. I've made it many times. I've even showed you how to do it, but maybe I'll do it again. We have a big container from Costco. I think it's like organic jam or something. We're about halfway done. It's taking a while. And every time kid pulls it out, they like grumble and they say, "It's not the way you make it, Mom." I should take that as a compliment, right? So I told them as soon as that jam goes down more, then I'll make some more. But I'll make sure too it's not going expired, and make sure, all of that. But when I make mine, it actually has less sugar than in those jars. So I guess that's a good thing too. I always pick up cheese when I'm up there. So I picked up some Monterey Jack and some mild. Mild cheddar is probably my least favorite of the cheddars. So if I was going to rank them, it'd go medium, it'd go sharp, and then it'd go mild. So do you have a favorite cheese? You should let me know down below. I'm a fan of all kinds of cheeses except blue cheese. Okay, I picked up some more of this ham. I'm gonna be showing you how I make some breakfast with these. So we'll do that soon. I picked up just one bag of Grandma Sycamore. We are just not going through a lot of bread right now in our family, which is not a bad thing, you guys. So I know that Paul won't eat bread. The kids go through spurts with this. So I know Kobe's a fan of cheese sandwiches. I can't even remember the last time he had a cheese sandwich. So, peanut butter and jellies here and there. But for the most part, I have one slice with my breakfast toasted with butter. That's all I get. I picked up some more butter. This butter is so economical. It's like $7.99 and you get so much of it. So around Christmas time, I was baking tons and I used up a lot of butter really fast. And so I'm hoping that this will last a while. It's just good to have. And if I'm gonna buy butter, I'd love to buy it at Costco because it's just so economical. And the last thing I got were some more eggs. So I think I mentioned before that I'm the only person who eats the eggs, but I do a lot of baking as well. So if I'm making, like, let's say puffy pancakes, they will require 6 eggs. And I normally make it gluten-free for our family. So, if I make it like once or twice, that's gonna do a good dent in these. But for the most part, I'm having 2 eggs for breakfast every day. So I just have it in different ways, and I'm gonna show you very soon what my favorite way is. So that is it, you guys. Thanks so much for going with Ezra and I to Costco. We just love going, and how fun would it have been if I could have spent $1,000 or $5,000. I mean, I think I could do it. I really could. So let me know if you are a fan of going to Costco and what your favorite items are. And, you know, give me a review of some of your faves, and maybe I'll pick them up next time. So thanks so much for going with us. Have a wonderful day, rollers, and stick around. You just never know what I'll be rolling out next. Bye, everyone.